Welcome back. Now let us do some on classification. Page of in the file classification.r. It is the code folder. And, yes, it is open. So, you know very well line 3 clearing the environment. And, line 4 we are setting the working folder and we are setting the set. Line 6 getting the data table library. Line 7 getting the common header. This is the file written by me. And line 12 setting a few of the constant. And we are going to work with the classification, and classification we predict the where outcome variable is class. So we are going to work with ID data set. An ID data set, many of you are aware of it. Otherwise, let's explain this one to few minutes. Just for time being, you believe that that's a categorical column, and that column name is speech. And here, since we are doing the classification, and the response is also speech. Okay. Now this is the folder image. We'll be saving the image over here. So that's all. Line 16, we are reading the data fresh. And line 17, converting the column name to uppercase. And line 20, we are making of all the categorical column as a data type factor. Okay. Now our data load is complete. Let us see the data first. So line 23, this means 150 rows and 5 variables. The structure line 24 I'm running, and it is saying these are the 4 named variables, and this is which is factor variable with 3 levels. Okay, sequence of particular and one more. And that is what I was saying. This is species is categorical column, and response is also species because we are doing classification. And let us see the data. I'm running line 25. So this is the first 2 records of the data. That's good. Now so let us see the summary. I'm running line 26. So here the minimum, maximum, on. That is the species. Okay, good. Now let us prepare the data. And in case of preparation, here again scaling the numeric column because we have only the numeric column here, and dependent variable is here categorical, and we do not touch the dependent variable altogether. So in line 30 we are simply scaling it all the numerical, and in line 31 we are saving it in a different file called iris underscore build. And we'll be using this build in future. Okay. That's all for the data preparation. And the data preparation we had discussed in detail during preparation, and those are still applicable over here, and we should do it. Data preparation is the cleaning, making the data as good as possible, so you must do it as much as you can. Now, before we go ahead and start doing the classification, one thing I want to convey to you. In open source, your best friend or the best teacher is the internet. You can get a lot of the help from internet, and definitely a lot of the material, code, video, and other things are available on internet, and many of which are free of cost, and some of these are paid as well. And you should be aware of it, that how to use that. So I want you to we have not taught you this classification altogether. I want you to use the Rpart and do the classification on your own. For that, you will be importing the 2 files, 34 and 35. These are the command I have given. So import these 2 libraries and use the Rpart. And once you do the Rpart, please generate. This is the graph. We generate this graph. This will be, if you are able to generate this graph after starting the internet, It means yes, you are able to read the internet and able to get the help. That will be the test of your extracting the information. And why I'm saying this right now, because if you do not know the classification, without knowing something, if you can really work, it means yes, you have the capability. But if you are not able to do, no problem, because you are still learning. Okay. And sometimes if you are not able to do, then I have already kept the code part here in the extra folder, under extra folder Rpart. So you can see it, but please don't see it in the very first time. Please try it yourself, and once you are done, then we'll move to the next. Okay, so after this video, please remember you must do this part on your own and without taking help from anyone. You can definitely take the help of internet, but don't take help of any of your friends. Okay? Thanks a lot for watching this. See you in the next one.